Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you the recipe of ice cream based on Cambodian dessert that I used to eat when I was in Cambodia. I remember the way my mom put fruit together to serve as dessert, so I was thinking maybe I could make it into ice cream and it turned out pretty good. So you need peach, blueberry, blackberry, regular sugar, 1 can of coconut milk, 16 ounce of heavy cream, 1 can of condensed milk, and I like to have caramel and chocolate for garnish topping, and this is just for optional. And you need 1 can opener, whisk with a mixing bowl. Before mixing the ingredient, I bring the blueberry and blackberry to a simmer. Put the berries into a pot. Add a cup of sugar, a bit of water, then simmer about 5 to 10 minutes. Not too long cause I want my berries to be firm and fresh enough. While the berry on the stove, I start mixing up the ingredients. Pour heavy cream, then whisk it up until creamy. Creamy like this. By the time I'm done with heavy cream, I think berry is cooked enough. I turn off the stove, then let it cool down a bit before I mix with others. Now pour the condensed milk, then mix it up. Then pour the coconut milk and mix it up again. Now cut up peach into small chunks, then mix it up with the creamy. By the way, you can use many other different kinds of fruit as many you want, such as jackfruit, longan, durian, grape, etc. But for me, it happened I have only peach, black, and blueberry left in the fridge to use. Now, when the berry is a bit cooled down, pour it into the mixing bowl. Mix it with other ingredients, little by little if it's still too hot. And I prefer not to put too much syrup or berries. Sorry, my phone stopped recording when I'm mixing berries, so I missed this part. But I think you got the idea what I'm talking about. This is what it looks like after I mix the blue and blackberry with other ingredients. After everything all mixed up, I pour it into a container for freezing. Now I got 1 big and small containers of ice cream base. I spent about $10 and I got plenty of organic healthy ice cream. This is gonna last for a while. Now I'm ready to put in the freezer for about 6 hours. Here's the ice cream is ready. Alright, now I'm gonna cut it up and show you the texture details, how delicious it's gonna be. Look at the peach, still fresh and crunchy. That's why I prefer to cut it into small chunks instead of blending it. So when I take a bite, it's still crunchy, and that's what I want. You can also see the black and blueberry there, not all smashed up as I didn't simmer the berries too long. And the ice cream is not done yet till I garnish it up a little bit before I eat. Just as usual, I like to eat my food and dessert when it looks good too. I'm not the best at garnish, so just garnish with chocolate and caramel, then use chopstick to draw around as painting. Now it's ready. I guess it's look great enough, doesn't it? I hope you try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out. Also, just to let you guys know, my body wash almost gone, so in the next coming video, I'm going to show you how to make organic body wash. Thank you for watching and I see you guys in the next episode.